Here's what you'll need for some lovely blueberry muffins: some eggs, butter, lemon zest, blueberries of course, some cream to finish it off with, baking powder, self-raising flour and caster sugar. Melt the butter in the microwave, then it's in with the sugar, and you're going to get those mixed together till they're nice and creamy. Butter and sugar mixed, time to go in with some lemon zest. Lemon zest in, time to go in with 2 eggs. One at a time though. Get those mixed in. With your eggs mixed in, time to concentrate on your blueberries, so give them a rinse and a dry. Save some for decoration. Then with the others, I like to chop them in half. This does mean that some of the juice bleeds into your sponge, so if you don't really like that, keep them whole, and then you can add these to the mixture. Into your mixture, you go in with your blueberries. Just gently mix those in. And then same with your self-raising flour and your baking powder, but you're going to sieve that in, get some air into the cakes so they're nice and spongy. Don't use your whisk, use a spatula and just fold it in until it all comes together. Once your mixtures come together, it's time to get your cases out. With your cupcake cases, make sure you get some of those blueberries in. Use a finger if necessary. Then you want it something like that. Don't worry about any unevenness because it'll all settle down and cook right in the oven. Do that for all your mixture. With your cupcake cases loaded, it's time to get them in the oven, preheated oven, at around 160 for around 30 or 40 minutes, or until a wooden toothpick comes out clean and not wet. When your wooden skewer comes out clean, time to let your muffins cool completely down before you put the topping on. I'm using cream so it'd melt if you put them on hot muffins, so let them cool right down. When your cakes have cooled down, you can eat them as they are, delicious with a cup of tea, or you can decorate them. I'm going to be decorating mine with some whipped cream. And then, just to finish them off, some of your blueberries.